Hi everyone! In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to create and manage projects in Bridge. Head over to the Project section from the left menu. This is where you find all your existing projects. To create a new one, click the plus button, give it a name and description, and adjust access permission, depending on who should be involved. Each project can be viewed in 3 different modes: Board, Backlog, and List. The board view is your classic Kanban board, where tasks are arranged in columns, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. You can drag and drop tasks between columns, or simply update their status to keep the workflow moving. Inside every task card, you can see title, description, labels, attachments field, due date, assignee name, and a comment section. You can tag your teammates, agents, tasks, documents, and databases. Everything stays right here, fully connected to work. If you need to plan ahead, use the Backlog tab to collect and prioritize upcoming tasks before moving them to the main board. If you prefer more structured spreadsheet-style layout, switch to List view. It shows complete task details, perfect for reviews or quick edits. And that's your quick look at projects in Bridge, where you can create, organize, and track work all in one place.